Hello and welcome to the Void Acoustics walkthrough for the Inca series amplifiers. The following will explain the functionality of the UI and demonstrate how to configure your Inca series amplifier. There are multiple videos covering each of the 5 main pages of the UI. This video is for the input page. Upon opening the input page, you are greeted with 4 inputs along the top: analog, SPDIF, mix, and generator. The analog input shows 4 separate inputs. These can be configured in multiple different ways. The sensitivity can be adjusted to mic level, -10 dBV, +4 dBu, and +14 dBu. There is gain and trim control of +15 and -15, and EQ for each input channel. You can also add a high-pass filter of 100 Hz to each analog input. By clicking on the mono button, you can change an input from mono to stereo. This will, however, reduce the amount of analog inputs you have. Each input can also be renamed by clicking where, in this case, it says analog 1. When configuring SPDIF, as standard it comes in as stereo, but this can be split to mono, and gain or trim of - to +15 dB can be set. The Mix tab allows the user to create up to 4 independent mixes. Each mix can use each input from analog and SPDIF. The generator can be used to create either a sine wave or a pink noise. This has adjustable gain and an adjustable bandwidth, with a high pass and low pass filter available for the pink noise. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to email support@voidacoustics.com or call the office at +44 1202 666 006.